I am Igor. My job is to get you through this experiment in one piece. But Igor, I hear you say, where's the fun in that? I agree, you delightful freak. Sadly, this is not that kind of experiment. Look closely. This is a catacomb navigation unit. All you little labrats in a little laboratory get to ride one. Use it. Igor skills. Nothing goes wrong. Yes? Don't forget that. This is just the emergency. Well, according to plan.
Send them in. I'm ready.
Yes, Doctor. Doctor, we'll see you now. This is fun, yes?
The grandfather started. They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he had done. But you will see. There's nothing to fear. Show them.
What's that?
Lower the lights. Quickly. Now, these people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Calm yourself. That wasn't us.